Hello everyone, today we will learn how to install MySQL Server on your Windows machine. Initially you have to search for MySQL download on your Google search. Then you have to navigate to your first search option, which is mysql.com. Under the download section you will see a link. This is mysql.com. Under download section you will see MySQL Communities GPL downloads. Now you will see option MySQL installer for Windows. You have to select first option, which is 2.4 MB. You have to click on no thanks, just start my download. When your installer gets installed, you have to open this installer. You have to select custom installation. Now in MySQL installer you have to select the products which you want to install. I am selecting MySQL Server 8.0.27 and I am selecting MySQL Workbench also. So I am selecting the latest one, MySQL Workbench 8.0.27. Now I am selecting one more application, which is MySQL Shell. I am also choosing the latest one, MySQL Shell 8.0.27. Now you have to click on next button. Then you have to execute all of these products. Now all products will get downloaded. Wait for a few minutes. Now as you can see, MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench and SQL Shell has been downloaded successfully. I have to click on next, then execute. When I will click on execute, these all apps, these all products will get installed one by one. Okay. It will take few minutes to get installed. So all the three products will be installed within few minutes. As you can see that MySQL Server has been completed, Workbench is completed and MySQL Shell is getting installed. Now click on the next button. Next again. Next. Again also next. Now I have to set a password, root password for my MySQL Server. Now click on next button. Next again. And I have to click on now execute button. So it would take few minutes to apply the final configurations. Now you have to click on finish button, and after clicking on next on finish button, my SQL installation is successfully completed. So you can see that my SQL Workbench has been successfully launched. Now I have to enter my password which I have set. Now my SQL Workbench has been successfully launched. Now I will show you a table. This is a system created table, system configuration. Now we will also access MySQL Server through command prompt. So you have to go to program files, then you have to select MySQL Server. Inside the bin folder you have to navigate to command prompt. In this location you have to log in into your MySQL Server. For this, MySQL -u root -p, then you have to enter your password. Now you are inside your MySQL Server. Now you can write any SQL query. I am writing an SQL query for showing databases, show database. Now all the database which are already created by the system are visible to me. Thanks for watching this video.